Okay, then you can type your attendance now. All of you, please type your attendance. Attendance mark ചെയ്യാൻ മറന്നു പോവല്ലേ? Don't forget to mark your attendance.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening to all. Kripa, you want to say something?
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, good evening. So, what we have studied in our previous class? I think
Divisibility by 8.
yes, we are discussing about
Divisibility by
divisibility by 8, is it? Okay, are you all clear about the divisibility of 8? Divisibility of 8 clear ആണോ എല്ലാവർക്കും? ഇനി എന്തെങ്കിലും
Yes. Yeah.
No.
Miss, divisibility 8 homework തന്നിരുന്നു ചെയ്യാൻ.
ഹോംവർക്ക് തന്നിരുന്നു. അത് മിസ്സിന്റെ ശരിക്കുള്ള ക്ലാസ് ട്യൂസ്ഡേ അല്ലേ, അന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. ഇന്നിപ്പോ ജയശ്രീ മിസ്സിന്റെ ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് വന്നല്ലേ, അപ്പൊ ചിലപ്പോ കുറെ പേര് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല. അപ്പൊ മിസ്സിന്റെ ശരിക്കുള്ള ക്ലാസ് ട്യൂസ്ഡേ അല്ലേ, അപ്പൊ അന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം ഹോംവർക്ക് കേട്ടോ. Okay. Okay. Then after divisibility of 8, what is our next session? Divisibility of 8 കഴിഞ്ഞ ഏത് നമ്പറിന്റെ divisibility ആണ്
Divisibility by 25.
divisibility by 25 അല്ലേ? So I am going to share my screen. Latecomers, please don't forget to mark your attendance. Okay. So we have studied the divisibility of 8. We say that a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the digits at hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. Is it? Is it? Okay. Then shall we move to the divisibility of 25? Divisibility of 25 എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Okay. Then here is the rule for you. What is your rule? Tens and ones place is divisible by 25. If the numbers tens and ones place is divisible by 25, then we can say that the number is also divisible by 25. Then here is an example for you. What's your first example? 4150. How will you check 4150 is divisible by 25? How will you check? Here our number is 4150. 4150. We have to check is 4150 is divisible by which number? 25, is it? Is it?
Yes.
For that, what was our rule? Namada rule enda? The number at ones place and tens place. Which is the number at ones place? Which is the number at ones place and tens place?
150.
In 100 is the number in the form of ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Here we only need the number in the place of ones place and tens place. All of you please mute yourself. Okay. Here we only need to find the number at ones place and tens place. Which is the digit at ones place? Which is the digit?
0.
It is 0. Then what about 5? 5 is at the place of?
Tens.
So, how will you write? How will you write? The number at tens place and ones place is 50. Is it? നമുക്ക് ഏതൊക്കെ പ്ലേസിലുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് മാത്രം മതി? Ones പ്ലേസിലും tens പ്ലേസിലും അല്ലേ? So the number at ones place and tens place is 50. Yes.
എനിക്ക് സ്ക്രീൻ കാണുന്നില്ല.
കാണുന്നില്ല. മിസ് ഒന്നുകൂടെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പൊ കാണാവോ? ഇപ്പൊ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് ആണോ കാണുന്നത്?
യെസ്, ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് മിസ്സേ കാണുന്നേ.
ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക്. ഇപ്പൊ ബോർഡ് കാണാവോ നോക്കണേ. ഇപ്പോഴോ? Yes. So, in the case of the number 4150, which is the number in the place of ones place and tens place, it is 50. So, what's our next rule? What's our next rule? In the next step, we have to check this number which lies in ones place and tens place is divisible by 25. So we have to check, is this 50 is Advait? Miss എഴുതിയതൊന്നും കാണാതിരിക്കാനാണോ ഇങ്ങനെ വരച്ചിരുന്നത്? Okay. So next we have to check our 50 is divisible by 25. You know how to divide two numbers, and we are going to divide 50 and 25. 50 with 25. How will you divide 50 with 25? How many 25s are there in 50? How many? 2. So 2 into 25 is 2 into 25 is 50. Then is there any reminder? Is there any reminder? 0 reminder, is it? Here the reminder is 0. Then in the case of if the reminder is 0, what we have to say? Then we have to say that the number is divisible by 50 or 50 is divisible by 25. Is it? Because here our reminder is 0, we can say that 50 is divisible by 25. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, പറയാം. നമ്മള് എന്തായിരുന്നു ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്? ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി ബൈ 25 അല്ലേ? ഫസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ എഴുതി വെക്കാം. എന്താ നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്? ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി ബൈ 25. ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി ബൈ 25 ആണ് നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. അപ്പോ ഒരു നമ്പർ 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണോ എന്ന് എങ്ങനെയാ നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക? ഒരു നമ്പർ 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണോ എന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് വി ഹാവ് എ റൂൾ. നമുക്കൊരു റൂൾ ഉണ്ട്, അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. എന്താ നമ്മുടെ റൂള്? ഒരു നമ്പർ 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ നമ്പറിന്റെ ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സ് പ്ലേസിലും വൺസ് പ്ലേസിലും ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിലും ഉള്ള നമ്പർ 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആയിരിക്കണം. സോ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ 4150 എടുത്തില്ലേ? അതിനകത്ത് ഏത് നമ്പറാ വൺസ് പ്ലേസിലും ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിലും ഉള്ളത്? 50 അല്ലേ? 50.
Yes.
It is 50. So the number in ones place and tens place is 50. Then next നമ്മൾ അടുത്ത സ്റ്റേജിലോട്ട് പോവാണ്. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു? വൺസ് പ്ലേസിലും ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിലും. ദേവാഞ്ജന ചോദിച്ചോ? സ്ക്രീൻ കാണുന്നില്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ ഒന്നുകൂടെ ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോഴോ നോക്കണേ. ഇപ്പോഴോ കാണാം. കാണുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ പറയണേ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോ നമ്മുടെ നമ്പർ ഏതായിരുന്നു? What was our number? It is 4150. In this number, which are the digits lies in ones place and hundreds place?
50.
It is 50 because that digit in ones place is 0 and the digit is in tens place is 5. So the number formed by the digits in ones place and hundreds place is 50. Okay. Then we are moving to our next step. In our next step, we are checking is this 50 is divisible by 25. Last നമ്മൾ എന്താ നോക്കുന്നത്? 50 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് നമ്മുടെ 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണോ എന്നാണ് ലാസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഓക്കെ ആണോ? ഓക്കെ, so we are dividing 50 by 25. We know that 2 into 25 is 50. That's why there is no remainder or the remainder is 0. We know that we are saying a number is divisible by other number if the remainder is 0. Remainder 0 ആകുമ്പോഴല്ലേ നമ്മൾ ഒരു നമ്പർ മറ്റൊരു നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay. So here we get 50 by 25. In the division of 50 by 25, the remainder is 0. So we can say that 25 is divisible by, 50 is divisible by 25. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടി? ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണെന്ന് കിട്ടി. ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ നമ്പറും ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആവണ്ടേ? അതല്ലേ നമ്മുടെ റൂള് അല്ലേ? So what we can say here? What we can say? 4150 is
Divisible by 25.
divisible by 25.
Divisible by 25.
Divisible by 25. Okay, very good. Divisible by 25. Next, മിസ് വേറെ നമ്പർ തരാൻ പോവാണേ. നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം അത് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണോ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ. നമ്മളിപ്പോ പഠിച്ചില്ലേ? So our number is 52,475. 52,475. ഈ നമ്പറിൽ which is the number which are the digits lies in ones place and tens place?
75.
It is 75. So next നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ഈ 75 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം അല്ലേ? 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. So for that we are going to divide 25 with which number?
75.
75. Please stop drawing in your screen. So how will you divide 75 with 25? How many 25s are there in 75? How many 25s are there in 75?
3.
3 into 3 25s are 75, is it? So we can say that 3 25s are 75. So here we get 3 into 25 is 75. And what is our remainder? What's our remainder?
0.
Remainder should be
0.
0. So in the case of
0.
okay. So in the case of 0 remainder, what we have to say? 0 remainder കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുന്നത്?
Divisible.
It is divisible. So 75 is divisible by 25. That's why we can say that 52,475 is divisible by 25. Is it is clear?
Yes.
Okay, നമുക്ക് ഇത് വെച്ച് കുറച്ച് എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ക്ലിയർ ആകും. കുറച്ച് പേർക്കെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടാകും. നമുക്ക് കൂടുതൽ എക്സാമ്പിൾ വെച്ച് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ അത് ക്ലിയർ ആവും. ഓക്കെ, എന്തോ എന്തേലും പറയുന്നുണ്ടോ? കാണുന്നില്ലേ? Echo. Okay, I am going to mute all of you. Okay. Okay. Is there is an echo now? Ipo echo undo? Okay. Then you just mute yourself, all of you. Okay. Then another number for you, which is 5232. 5232. In this number, which are the digits which lies in ones place and tens place? 32, is it? Advait, please stop writing in your screen. And all of you, please mute yourself. Okay, then from 5232, the number which lies in ones place and tens place is 32, is it? Then now we are going to check is 32 is divisible by 25. For that we are just dividing 32 with the which number? 32 with the 25. So I am just dividing 35 with the 25. So how many 25s are there in 35? Only 25, is it? Only 125 are present in 35. Please mute yourself.
Miss,
Yes.
35 alla miss 32 ah.
Okay, sorry, 32 ആണല്ലേ? Sorry. So 32. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then how many 25s are there in 32? There are only 125. Then 1 into 25 is what?
25.
25. Then by subtraction, what happens?
7 is remainder.
How much is the remainder?
7.
The remainder.
It is not divisible.
All of you, please mute yourself. Here we get a remainder of 7, is it? All of you, please mute yourself.
It is not a decimal.
Okay. Because here we get a non-zero remainder, we can say that 32 is not divisible by 25. Because here is a remainder. What is our remainder?
7.
We know we have a remainder 7 here. That's why we can say that 32 is not divisible by
32
25.
is not divisible by 7.
Ashin, please. Ashin, എനിക്ക് മോൻ പറയുന്നത് അത്ര ക്ലിയർ ആകുന്നില്ല. പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് divisibility by 8 വരെ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. അത് ജയശ്രീ മിസ് ഇടുന്ന എക്സാമിന്റെ അകത്ത് 1-2 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവും. ഞാൻ അതിനായിട്ട് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇടുന്നില്ല. ജയശ്രീ മിസ്സിന്റെ എക്സാം ഇല്ലേ, അതിന്റെ കൂടെ ഇതിനകത്തുനിന്ന് ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി ബൈ 8 വരെ. മിസ് ഇന്നലെ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഇട്ടത് കണ്ടായിരുന്നോ സിലബസ്? അതിനകത്ത് ഓക്കെ. സോ ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി ബൈ 8 വരെ ട്ടോ. Okay. Then here we get a non-zero remainder 7. That's why we can say that 32 is not divisible.
32 is not divisible by 25.
Okay. 25. Then what we get from this? We can say that 5232 is not divisible.
Not divisible by 25.
Not divisible by. Not divisible.
25.
Not divisible by 25. Okay. Then, do you get the idea of divisibility of 25?
Yes. Yes.
Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay. Then, here is another example in your textbook, that is 65,585. Is 65,585 is divisible by 25? We have to check. For that, you can see here in blue color, the last 2 digits are represented. Which is that? That is 85. Then, what we have to do? We have to divide this 85 by 25. Then what happens when we divide this 85 by 25? All of you please divide it in your notebook. Okay. Shefi, did you complete it? Okay, then you can do now. പെട്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. 85നെ നമ്മൾ 25 വെച്ച് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ എത്രയായിരിക്കും റിമൈൻഡർ കിട്ടുക? 0 ആണോ അല്ല വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ആണോ? ഏത് നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും കിട്ടുക? നിഹൽ, പ്ലീസ് അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ആൻഡ് സേ.
Remainder 1.
Is it 1 or 10?
Remainder
1 or 10? 10. So we get a remainder of 10. You know that 10 is a non-zero remainder. That's why we can say that 85 is not divisible by 25. So 65,585 is not divisible by 25. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
The page number on the pariyo.
Page number. Just a minute. Page number 121. 121. Okay. Then is it clear for you? Do you want more example for doing like this? Do you want examples?
No.
No. What about others?
No.
Okay. I think you are all familiar with the division of or divisibility of 25. Then shall we check if there is any activities for us to check the divisibility of 25? I think it is only the divisibility up to 6. Okay. Okay, then there is no questions related to the divisibility of 25. Then you can see in your textbook page number 122, there are some questions to check the divisibility of 25. Can you see that?
Yes.
How many questions are there? 6 questions are there. Then we can check the divisibility of the first one now. Which is the first number given for you? Which is 9,100.
9,150.
Then, which is the number in ones place and tens place?
50.
It is 50. So, how will you check its divisibility? For checking its divisibility, we have to check
50 divided by 25.
50 divided by 25.
Our number is 9,150 and the last two digits are 50. So, we have to check 50 divided by 25. Is it? Then how will you get the remainder in 50 divided by 25? You can do zero remainder, is it? We know that
0.
25 or 2 times 25 is 50. That's why there is no remainder, that is zero remainder. When the remainder is zero, what we can say?
50 is divisible by 25.
Okay, very good. 50 is divisible by 25 and that's why we can say that 9,150 is divisible by 25. Is it clear? Clear or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then what is our second number? What's our second number? It is 2,672.
2,676.
76. Then what are the digits in ones place and tens place?
76.
It is 76.
76.
Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to check 76 is divisible by 25. You can do now.
One reminder.
Okay. Allah have a reminder of 1. Then what about others?
1 is reminder.
Okay.
One reminder.
There is a
One
reminder
reminder.
1, is it? That's why
One
it's a non-zero reminder. Then what we can say? We can say that 76 is not divisible by 25. Is it? Is it? Okay.
Yes.
Then we get 76 is not divisible by 25. That's why we can say that 2,676 is not divisible by 25. Okay? Okay. Then which is our next number?
1,175.
1,175. Then in this number, which are the digits in ones place and tens place?
75.
It is 75. Then we have to check 75 is divisible by 25. How will you check 75 is divisible by 25?
75 divisible by
25 divided by 25.
75 divided by 25. Then what happens? Is
Zero
there a reminder?
Zero reminder.
Zero reminder. That's why we can say that 75 is divisible by 25 and so 1,175 is divisible by 25. Is it? Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Then which is our next number in your textbook?
8,500.
Which is the number?
8,500.
8,500. Then in this case, which is the number which lies at ones place and tens place?
There is no number.
0. Is 0 is divisible by 25?
No.
What is the answer of 0 divided by 25?
0.
It should be 0. There is no reminders. We get a number 0 while we dividing 0 by 25. Okay. That's why here is also no reminder. So we can say that the number 8500 is divisible by 25. Is there is any doubt in this question? We know that there is only one thing to remind, that is in the case of 0, we know that when we divide any number with 0 or when we divide 0 by any number, we will get the answer as 0. There is no reminders in the division. Okay. Okay. That's why we can say that the number 8500 is divisible by 25. Okay. Then which is our next number? Which is our next number?
6,905.
1905.
5.
Then which is the number in the place of ones place and tens place?
0, 5.
0, 5.
5.
Is 0, 5 is equal to 5?
Yes.
Yes. 0, 5 is equal to, we can write 0, 5 as 5 itself. Then what happens when we divide 5 by 25? Can you divide this number easily without getting any reminder?
No.
That's why what we can say, 6905 is not divisible by 25. Sinan, are you sleeping? Okay, then we get 6905 is not divisible by 25. Then, which is our next number? It's our next number.
18,025.
18,025. 18,025. Is it is?
Yes.
Which is the number which lies in ones place and tens place?
25.
It is 25. Is 25 is divisible by 25?
Yes.
Yes, we know that 25 is divisible by 25. That's why we can say that the number 18,025 is
18,025 is
divisible by 25.
Okay, I think you are all familiar with the divisibility of 25. Is it? Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Then, is there is any questions reminding in your textbook?
No.
No.
Eh?
No.
No. Okay. Then now you can ask your doubts regarding to our divisibility. Divisibility il endekkine doubt undo?
No, miss.
No.
No, miss.
Okay.
No, miss.
Classes നമ്മൾ ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സിന്റെ ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി പഠിച്ചു? ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സിന്റെ ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി പഠിച്ചു? 2
4, 5, 10, 5,
3 9 4 6 8 and 25.
29. 25.
Okay. Then how will you say a number is divisible by 25? A number is divisible by 2. Sorry, not 25, it is 2.
Last number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8.
If the last numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we can say that the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Then what about the divisibility of 5?
Last digit 0 or 5.
Okay, we have to get our last digit as 0 or 5. Then we can say that the number is divisible by 5. Then what about the divisibility of 10?
Last digit 0.
Last number is 0.
ഏതായിരിക്കണം? 0 വരണം അല്ലേ? Okay.
Yes.
Then what about the divisibility of 3? You can see in your the
It
divisibility
has
of 3.
digit has add.
Okay, we have to add the digits. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then we can say that the number is divisible by 3. Similarly, in the case of 9, we can say that if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Okay.
Miss,
Okay. Then the divisibility of 9 is, we can say it as, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Okay. Then in the case of divisibility of 4, what was our rule? What was our rule?
Last digit
Last 2 digits. The numbers formed by the digits at tens and ones place is divisible by 4. Then we can say that the number is divisible by 4.
divisible by 4.
And similarly, in the case of the divisibility of 6, a number is said to be divisible by 6 only if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay. Then what about the divisibility by 8?
place 100 tens and ones place divided 8.
Divisible by 8. The number formed by the digits at 100, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. Then we can say that the number is also divisible by 8. And at last we have discussed about the divisibility of 25. How will you say number is divisible by 25?
Number from tens and one place divided 25.
Not divided, it is divisible. That is, if the number formed by the digits at tens place and ones place is divisible by 25, then we can say that the number is also divisible by 25. Okay.
Okay, Miss.